Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I go by Galaxy and I'm just a common Yu-Gi-Oh player. I don't really play competitive, although one day I will, but for now I'm just a fan of Yu-Gi-Oh collecting cards. But however, I want to give a shout out to Game Nerds. This is where I got my Stampede box pre-ordered. Here, let's go ahead and open up the box because honestly you guys came to see the cards, not me. All right, let's go ahead and get the box open and see what we've got. 1 second. Shoot. Okay. Sorry, everybody. This is harder than it looks. Opening the box and whatnot. So we've got the Stampede quarter century. So again, this is just for you guys to see what's in this pack, what all your, what the card pull ratio would be like. That's all I'm doing. I'm just want you guys to see the card pull ratio. And here we go, first pack. I'm not good at opening really quickly, but whatever. Okay. All right. All right, we got Dimensional Prison. This card. I'm not going to say the names of all these cards, to be honest with you. And Cybercore Dragon. Cool. Next pack. Okay. I'm going to try to be a little sneaky with the card so I don't give it away. All right, here we go. I think that's 25th anniversary. Not too sure. Probably, nah, it's not. Okay. Cool. 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 All right, next pack. And it's 24 cards in the pack. Honestly, I forgot to tell you guys. I'm looking for the alternate art of the whatchamacallit, Photon Dragon, Galaxy Photon Dragon, and the Albaz card as well. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Next pack. Kind of getting through them. And don't get me wrong, like I like Yu-Gi-Oh. Sometimes I'm excited about it, but some of these cards I'm not too familiar with, to be honest. But again, this is just to give you the card pull ratio. Oh, cool, Drytron. I heard about them. All right, cool. Okay. We get through this. All right. Oh, that's cool. This is cool. Cool. Splash. Oh, nice. I got a quarter century, I think. Is that quarter century? Let me see. No, it's not quarter century. False alarm, but yeah, I mean, I don't know. I can't see it that well, but I'll go back and check. Cool. Next pack. All right. Shoot. Okay, I gotta hard the cards. There we go. Oh, Delinquent Duo. I know this card. Oh my god. I remember this card. This card right here, Delinquent Duo, this was a terror. And if this card gets off the ban list, no, it will never be off the ban list. No, keep this card locked up. Yeah, but that's cool. All right, cool. I think I got a quarter century. Yeah, I got a quarter century. Cool. That's some quarter century card. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. You guys are here to see the cards, not here to hear me blab all day. But cool. All right. I hope everybody's day is going well though. Soul Charge. Okay, I remember this card. Yeah. Black Rose Dragon. I got the QCR of this from the tin can as well. Cool. Splash Mage. That's my phone, guys. Crystalline card. That's cool. All right, cool. Not bad. Let's open up another one. Okay, I gotta try to be sneaky with this so I don't get a... Here we go. I'm not too sure what this card's about, but it looks nice. Ooh, Gaga Cowboy. I remember this card. Yeah. Nice. Okay, cool. Got some Decent pulls. Let's keep going. All right. Shoot. It's harder than it looks. I promise this is harder than it looks. Opening packs. Oh, yeah. This Blue-Eye Support card, basically. Nice. Oh, okay. Yeah. Now, I hope to get Zeus, which to me is like the good version of this guy. Yeah. Cool. Nice, nice. Okay, let's keep going. So hopefully you guys get an idea of what the card pool kind of looks like. Again, that's just the goal. Oh, what the heck? What is this? I got a quarter-cent. I don't know what this is, but I like it. Oh, I used to run Shadalls back in the day. Nice. Oh, cool. Magician Apprentice. That's what I'm talking about. That's nice. Ooh, Fiendsmith. I didn't know what the big deal was about this card, to be honest with you. I mean, I'm pretty sure somebody knows in the comments, but I just didn't know. I'm not trying to disrespect the Fiendsmith players, but I didn't see the big deal. And let me open it like, maybe like this, so I don't... Yeah, there we go. Okay. All right. I don't want this to be a 20-minute video, guys. So I'm trying to get through this so you guys can see Void Trap Hole. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, I got another crystalline. God Magician. I remember that card. Oh, cool. And cool. All right. Yeah. Yeah, that's not bad. Come on. I got to get Galaxy Photon Dragon Altart. Or Zeus, you know what I'm saying? Or Albaz. That's what I'm hoping for, y'all. I don't usually get what I want. Oh, wait a minute. This is pretty cool. This is the Tachyon support. Y'all know in the last video, I was looking for Tachyon support cards from the Maze of Masters. I don't know if y'all remember that, but that's what I was doing with the other cards. It's cool. All right, I got a long way to go. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't want this to be a 20-minute video, but it might be because there's so many packs to get through. Oh, shoot. Let me not show y'all. Damn. Okay. Perfect. Oh, yeah, the Shadal support. Hero Lives. Cool. Nice. Okay. Yeah. All right. We completed the left side of the box. We got the right side, and we good to go. All right. Cool. Oh! Wait, I thought it was quarter century or something. Boy, I got excited. But Red Eyes is still good. I like Red Eyes. Another Fiendsmith card. Yeah. This guy. This person. And oh, shoot. What is it? What the hell? What is this? Damn. This looks nice. I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to curse, but dang. Wow. What the hell? Okay. Yeah, that's nice. Bruh. Okay. That's nice. That was good. Okay, give me a second. I'm finna take a quick break, y'all. Alright, guys, I'm back. So let's get through the other side of the pack so y'all can see what's going on. Alright, let's keep it going. So remember, I'm hoping to get that Galaxy Eyes alt art. I hope I get it, or the Albaz. Now, if I don't get it, I'm going to be upset. Because this ain't right, man. I pay for stuff, and I get every other card that everybody needs, but I don't get the card I actually want. Anyway, cool. Alright. This one. Yeah, that's cool too. Separate core. And this guy. Yeah. He was pretty cool with the Monarchs. Yeah. Okay. I'm not trying to prolong this video. Yeah, man, like I mean, I thank y'all for the views from the last video because it's my first time like actually you know, talking on camera and stuff like that, you know? And people, you know, I'm behind the camera usually. Oh, this card's cool. I don't know what that is, but okay. Oh! Astro Karibo! Yeah! Yeah, what is this? Oh, it ain't quarter century, but I'll take it. Yeah, this will go good with my Tachyon support. Okay, cool, yeah. I like it. Alright, now where the Galaxy Eyes at? Alright, let's keep going. Oh, my bad. I really should sleeve these. Because, I don't want to get yelled at in the comments. Oh, what is this? What the hell? What is this? Y'all know what this is? Hold on. Uh, I don't know what this is, but it look expensive. I don't know. Anyway. Oh, got me another rose dragon. This is pretty. I ain't gonna lie. Got me another one of those and discard. I don't know. But this, I don't know what this is. I don't know. It looks expensive. I don't know. Somebody can tell me in the comments. I don't know. All right, let's keep the recording rolling. All right, y'all here to see the cards, not me. Oh yeah, okay. Utopia, the lightning or Utopia lightning. Oh, this is for the Albaz support. Her, yeah. Okay. Oh, I got man. Black Rose Dragon is just. I probably should run these cards because this is beautiful. Look how beautiful she looks, and it's crystalline card. Cool. All right, yeah, not bad. Okay, let me see. I got a couple more packs here, y'all. So as you can see. All right, I'm gonna keep it going. Oh, this is bent up. I don't know. Maybe this might have the Galaxy Eye support. You never know. It's bent up. We don't know. Let's see. All right, can we get it? Oh, can we get it? Galaxy Eyes. Oh, nope. This is oh, that's the Ninja card, quarter century. Nice. All right. Oh, Lullaby of Obedience. Yeah. Shaolin Dojo. Okay, cool. All right, come on, Galaxy Eyes. Or Albaz. Somebody. Come on, man. Don't do this to me. I don't want to have to buy another box. But if I do, I'll make another video. Y'all. Oh, what the hell? Wait a minute. This is Buster Blader. Damn. And I said I wasn't going to cuss, but this is impressive. Okay. I don't know what that is. Big Eye. I seen that one. Cool. All right. Buster Blader. AKA for the Blue Eyes player. Excuse my French, but bust your ass, Blader. Perfect. Okay. Keep it going. Another pack. All right. Flipping over. Go. All right. That's a pretty card, I guess. Terraforming. Cool. Yeah. All right. Oh, quarter century version of her. Damn. Okay. Yeah. All right. But where Albaz at? You could have gave me Albaz instead. I mean, I already got her, but I appreciate it. All right. Come on. I need Galaxy Eyes, Photon Dragon. Go. Some Zodiac card, I guess. Is this QCR? It looked like it. No, I don't know. All right. Magician Apprentice. I got a play set of her, basically. Cool. And cool. All right. I'm not even mad. That's cool. All right. I got two more, y'all. Two more. All right. Fingers crossed. Come on, man. I just want to have Albaz or Galaxy Eyes. Come on, man. That's all I want. That's all I'm asking for, y'all. Magical, Dark Burning Magic. Okay. Come on. Oh well, you know, it looked expensive. I don't know, but cool. All right, last pack. All right, y'all. Here we go. All right, y'all. You can laugh at me in the comments later if I don't get it. 1, 2, 3. Got it. Dang. Wait. Okay. Nah, I didn't get it, y'all, but it was a shot. I gave it a shot. But thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. But it's just to give you guys an idea of, what's in the pack. Of course, but I'll do another video. I'll get another pack and do another video. All right, guys, take care. Please keep the views and comments going so I can afford to open packs like these and, maybe take care of other responsibilities too. I got a day job, but it's always nice to, have a second source of income. But cool. All right. Take care, guys. Thank you.